What is today, Stevie?
Easter.
What do you think's out there? Savannah's first Easter. Okay. Oh, Daddy's in his underwear.
I see what Savannah got.
What is that?
I see what Savannah got.
What is it? Oh, it's a carrier. Alright, you like that, Savannah?
I didn't give that size milk.
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
You better look on it. What is it?
What's underneath them blankets?
What?
Okay, put it down. What's underneath them blankets?
Does that Easter bunny really bring that?
Yeah.
Where'd that come from?
I wasn't here when you went to bed.
Huh? Where'd that Easter bunny get that at? Where did that come from?
Jump on it. Let's see if it fits. Can your feet touch the ground?
Yeah, but guess what that has on it?
What?
It has a stopper.
Wow, and no training wheels. Oh my goodness. What else is in there?
I love these things.
Yeah.
Oh, there's another pack of them.
Careful, 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 careful.
Uh-oh. No, stop it. I didn't know how to stop it.
Well, you can't push it the other way.
That's my... Oh. Mmm.
What is it?
Jelly beans.